Today we're troubleshooting one of the most common Windows problems, the blue screen of death. Don't panic, let's solve it like a real help desk technician. The user reports, "My computer suddenly shows a blue screen and restarts. It happens randomly, and now I can't finish my work." A BSOD usually means Windows detected a critical system error to prevent further damage. Start by gathering information. Ask when the issue started, what the user was doing before the crash. If it happens every time or randomly, whether any new hardware or software was installed. And most importantly, write down the stop code displayed on the blue screen. Your immediate response is simple. Take a clear photo of the blue screen and the stop code. Restart the computer if it's safe to do so. But if the system continues crashing, stop restarting it repeatedly and escalate the issue to avoid data loss or hardware damage. Now verify the basics. Check all power and monitor connections. Disconnect unnecessary USB devices. Run Windows Memory Diagnostic. Confirm there is enough free disk space. Check for overheating and verify the BIOS or UEFI settings if needed. As a Tier 1 help desk technician, check Windows Update status. Run System File Checker using sfc//scannou. Run the DISM repair command. Update important drivers like graphics, chipset, and network. Uninstall any recently installed software or drivers, and test with another user profile if necessary. If the problem continues, begin your investigation. Review Event Viewer system logs. Identify the stop code and any related error messages. Examine Windows mini-dump files and look for hardware conflicts that may have caused the crash. Common causes include outdated or corrupted drivers, failing RAM, a damaged hard drive or SSD, overheating, corrupted Windows system files, malware infections, or recently installed hardware and software. Once you've identified the cause, update or reinstall the faulty driver. Replace failing hardware if necessary. Repair corrupted system files, remove malware, perform a system restore if available, and thoroughly test the computer to confirm stability. Verification is important. Restart the computer several times. Monitor for additional blue screens. Run a full system scan, test everyday applications, and confirm the user can work normally without crashes. The best way to prevent future blue screens is to keep Windows updated. Install reliable drivers, use trusted antivirus software, monitor system temperatures, create regular backups, replace aging hardware before it fails, and always maintain enough free disk space. Here's today's IT lesson. A blue screen isn't just an error, it's Windows protecting your system from a more serious failure. Read the stop code, investigate the root cause, fix the problem correctly, and you'll prevent the issue from coming back. That's how real help desk professionals troubleshoot a blue screen of death. Thank you for watching IT Step by Step.